Here are some of our round balers we have in our collection. First, we got this RB 565 case, RB 564 case IH, case IH 8465, case IH 8465 automatic, New Holland roll belt 560 specialty crop. This is the 125 year anniversary edition. Also a roll belt 560 specialty crop. This is the normal edition. A 660 auto wrap New Holland. John Deere 569 Mega Wide Plus. John Deere 560R Mega Wide HD, and this has the bale carrier on the rear. Deutz Alice GP 2.50. Vermeer 604R Signature. Vermeer 605 Series L. And the newest one to our collection, a Gale Variable Open Throat 2580 Silage Special. So that is our round baler collection. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, we're going to be filming more videos of our collection and posting it on our channel. So go ahead and subscribe and give us a like. Thanks for watching.